Happy Saturday, everybody. There. Pinched it in. Happy Saturday, it's Wally from Bentley's and Wally's Walk and Talk. Isn't that cool? There we go. There's your vegetables and this mama deer. I think she's carrying them. A young one. The one time I had a comment asking if I fed the deer. At that time, no, I didn't feed the deer. But at this time, I'm just feeding whatever comes back here and eats. How's that? Because, you know, I got birds too. I got hummingbirds. I do feed my hummingbirds and my regular birds. Excuse me. Excuse me. And there's my bird feeder that I need to fill again. So I'll be back here doing that shortly. But yeah, got the grass cut yesterday in between all the thunderstorms. So that's progress, baby. All right, peace out, everybody. Excuse the look. I'm about ready to do my steps.